Alright, this is finding the area under the curve using limit definition and Riemann squares, or however they're pronounced. So this is our formula, f a plus ix, or I delta x over, or not over, times delta x. And so what we do here is to find delta x, it's just b minus a over n. And so 3 minus 1 over n equals 2 over n. So the limit as n approaches infinity, n I equals 1. So what we can do here is we can just plug in. So f1, since that's a, plus 2I over n times 2 over n, and this quantity is squared. Okay. So what we can do here is we plug this into the original equation. So continuing right here. This would be, you bring the 6 out front. 1 plus 2I over n squared, which is times by 2 over n. You can multiply this real quick, and so that just becomes 12 over n 1 times 1 plus 2I over n, and this is squared. So what you're going to do after that is you're going to expand this and then FOIL it. Foiling is my favorite. So this would be 1 plus 2I, 1 plus 2I, can't forget the over n. So 1 to 1 is 1. 1 times 2I is, well, we're not going to count the I. Well, actually, never mind. 1 times 2I over n is 2I over n, plus 2I over n plus 1, which is 2I over n, which is then multiplied the last quantity, which is 2I over n times 2I over n, which just becomes 2I squared over n squared. All with 12 over n out in the front. Okay. Kind of running out of space. So let's do limit as n approaches infinity. And so then you're going to multiply this out. What's it called? Just multiply by each term. So that would be, you get, that equals 12 over n, since, plus 48I over n squared, since there's an n there, plus, oh, well, I guess, I forgot to add these terms. These equal to 4I over 2. And so that's where I'm getting that 48 from. And then plus 48I squared, oh, that's not a 2, squared over n. All right. So now we are ready to use our Riemann formulas. So give me one moment while I do a new thing. So continuing where we left off, we have 12 over n. And so using the constant one or constant formula, it's just times n, which sees, you know, there's only n, plus 48 over n squared multiplied by n plus 1 over 2 plus 48i squared over n squared. Oh wait, whoa, this is n cubed. Oops, I must have made a mistake there. And that is multiplied by n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 6. Okay, and so first thing you're going to do here is cancel. So what can we cancel? We can cancel this n and this n right there, plus this 2 in 48, which turns into a 24. We cancel the, you know, obviously these two cancel. We can cancel this n, and then this 6 with this 48, which turns into an 8. Okay, so one more time. We have 12 over, well, yeah, we have 12 plus 24 over n times n plus 1 over 2 plus 8i squared over n squared times n plus 1 times n plus 1, or 2n plus 1, which isn't over everything now. And so that will come down. That will come down to still 12 plus 24n over n plus 24 over n plus 16 n squared. Oh, I think I skipped a step. Mike, wait, huh? Oh, no. I didn't. I am just, wow. Okay. Over 16 n squared plus 3n plus 1 over n squared. Make sure to remove your eyes once you bring them down, or else it will confuse you. Okay, now we can cancel. So 12 is just 12. There's nothing there. 24 over 24, these n's will cancel, which just gives you 24. 24 over n, this it's approaching infinity, so this is just going to be 0. Plus 16 n squared, well, what am I doing? Plus 16, these 10s will cancel. Plus 3, or actually, wait. This 3, and that n will cancel, leaving only 1, which will equal 0. And then this just will equal 0, because, you know, there's an n. So you are left with these 3 numbers, and these 3 numbers should all equal an area of 52.